Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is how it all started. We sowed the seeds, about 2000 seeds, and there were two different varieties. And this one did very well, over 90%, while the other one not even up to 40% germination. But I think these seeds are fake, while this other one got over 90%, the other one was not up to 40. Then we moved the seed outside. It's about 5 weeks plus. We move them outside to expose them to sun, not full sun per se, but gradually we expose them for some days. Then before we start exposing them fully to the sun, by then they were already okay. They can take full sun from morning till evening. So once they are able to take that full sun from morning till evening, they are ready to transplant. That will help them to withstand the transplanting shock, and survival rate will be high. Then I can't move them directly to the farm in the seed tray, so we transfer them into these pools before moving them to the farm to make it easier. This one we transplanted. See, we made some changes here. Unlike the previous one, we used just one row, but this one we used a double row for the planting. The spacing, we increased it from one row to the other is about 150 centimeter, which is more than the other one. The previous one was 90. The planting space, the distance between plant to plant is 60 centimeter. Then from this row to row here is still 60 centimeter. This is 2 days after transplanting. We had some that was cut out by insects. They are doing well. The survival rate was very high compared to the previous one where we got almost 50% dead. Before planting, we applied the manure, then we also applied the SSP to the soil before planting. We planted over 1000. The remaining ones will be transplanted because those ones are still small, quite very small, so we left them, and then we'll transplant them later. Maybe after 2 weeks we'll transplant the remaining ones. We started applying fertilizer about 3 days after planting, and the fertilizer, this calcium nitrate. After measuring the fertilizer, you put them in a separate bowl and dissolve them thoroughly before mixing them together before you fertigate with them. And this is the process of the measurement calcium nitrate. Then the other one, agrovat. We bought agrovat because that is rich in phosphorus, because if we decide to go and get MAP or MKP fertilizer, that one will be expensive and they sell only per bag. So this one is 1 kg pack, and it's still rich in phosphorus, and just because of the phosphorus we needed it. This was fertigating the plants. The plants are generally healthy. They are looking good. They are okay. I'll keep you guys posted on the progress. It's about 1 week after transplanting. Till next time, stay safe and happy farming.